capital F, this is small f. In this video, we will learn words begin with letter F. F for fan. F for fruits. F for frying pan. F for fox. F for frog. F for four. F for friends. F for field. F for fry. F for found. F for fog. F for flexible. F for fighting. F for fat. F for footstep. F for frame. F for fairy. F for fig. F for fun. F for fire. F for fly. F for feather. F for fog. F for fit. F for fish. F for 5. F for flashlight. F for face. F for phone. F for fin. F for flap. F for football. F for flower. F for father. F for fit. F for fountain pen. F for Facebook. F for flag. F for flat. F for flute. F for famous. F for fall. F for full stop. F for fountain. F for frog. F for fisherman. F for farmer. F for flamingo. F for fold. F for flu. F for first. F for first aid kit. F for far. F for family. F for food. F for festivals. F for fire brigade. F for funnel. F for funny. F for funnel seed. F for firewood. F for film. F for flashcards. F for forest. F for force.
F for
fungus.
F for
Fields.
F for
Fur.
Thanks for watching.